In this video I will show you step by step how you can create a Discord membership through warp.com. So first of all we need to log into our account or create a new account, and then once we are on this page we can then go to start selling in the top right hand corner. From here you will then be brought to this page where we will now to click on start selling, and then once you click on start selling you will be on this page. Now what you want to do is you want to name your store. So for example, if I just put in YouTube tutorial membership, once we do this we can then click on the next button in the bottom right hand corner and then go ahead and choose a category which your course or membership does lie in. So for example, I can click on how to course. If it's nothing relevant to this, just click on something else and then click on next. Now what we want to do now is once we do that you will be on your main dashboard. You can choose between light and dark mode if you want to change sort of the customization, and then once you're on your main dashboard what we want to do now is we want to click on set up a product. What you will notice now is there is an option to browse apps where you will see a lot of different apps that you can choose from, but in today's video we will be using Discord. So click on Discord Access, that will then bring you to this page. Click on Connect Discord, and then again click on Connect Discord Server. So for this you will need to have created a Discord server already, and then once you have done this you can go to the drop down menu and click on the one that you want to go ahead and have as the membership. Once you do this, click on continue and then click on authorize. Go ahead and click on the verification, and then once we have done the verification you will be redirected over to the next step, and on this step right here is a very important step. So what we can do now is head over to our Discord server. So if I head over to my Discord, as you will notice, WhatBot has now been added to my server. So the next step for this will be to go to the top left hand corner, click on the drop down menu, go to where it says server settings and then click on this. And then as you will now notice, there is an option for roles on the left hand side. Click on roles, and then what you will notice now is there is an option for WhatBot. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that WhatBot is located at the top of this right here. So make sure WhatBot is at the top of roles, and then once WhatBot is at the top of your roles section, it will then be able to assign these specific roles to any new member that does join your membership. So what you want to do is make sure you click on save changes, head back over to the previous tab, and then once we do this, click on test roles to see if we have done this correctly and see if everything is working as it should be. As you will notice, if it has been done correctly, there will now be a message saying that Discord has now been connected, and then you can then click on complete, which will then redirect you back over to here. Now the next step for this will be to set up any payments and any monthly fees, any one-time subscriptions. What we can do from here is make sure we are selected on products, go to our membership that we have just created. That will then bring us to this page where you will want to go ahead and go to pricing options and click on add pricing options button right here. So what we want to do is we want to go to price, and then we want to make sure we have selected subscription or single payment, whatever you've decided your membership to be. So for example, if I want to make it a subscription, I will then go ahead now and enter in the amount that I want it to be. So for example, $99 per month. If you want to change the duration, so you can change this to pretty much whatever you want. You can have it every week, every 3 months, every 6 months, every year, and so on and so forth. The next step will be to go to currency and click on the drop down menu and choose the one which is most relevant to you. And then you want to go down, and where you see payment methods, you will be able to enable credit and debit card, and then you will be also able to enable PayPal. So if you enable PayPal, as you can see, PayPal payments will then be accepted. If you go down to more options, you've got a couple of options right here, such as free trials, a one-time initial fee, and then offer discount before customer cancels. So once you've set up a price for your Discord membership, that's pretty much all you need to do. Everything is mostly on this page right here. There is a couple of settings on the left hand side bar here that you can go through and change if you want to do that, but everything is mostly in the prices option. Now once we've done this we can then click on save. So once you click on save, as you will notice, you will be able to see your membership right here. You will be able to see the price point, the visibility, the requirements, and also any active members which are listed right here. If you click on it, you will then be able to see a list of members and you will be able to remove people and stuff like that. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a Discord membership inside whop.com. It's an amazing website to go ahead and sell your courses, memberships, and everything like that. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.